when you are talented, when you are good, when your creativity is top notch, you see something so different. A round of applause for Madam No Network. So right now, Madam No Network, we are doing three awards, eh? 4, right? So right now, we will do this first.
Ẹni tí máa pè báyìí, àwọn náà ni onílé káyàkáyò. A máa yà, a máa yó, ẹ máa jẹun, ẹ máa jì lọlé. Àwọn náà ni sísá mi dáadáa, dádì mi dáadáa. Ava Queen, Nigeria Limited, Best Food Brand of the Year. Recognized award from Eeta. Eeta Award. Eeta Award. Eeta Award. Award.
Afiniki.
Hello. DJ. Tábà ti pè mí bá a máa pàtẹ́wọ́. Ẹ dàpọ̀ ẹ̀jọ̀ torí Ọlọ́run. Ó yẹ bá mi pàtẹ́wọ́. Ẹ bá mi pàtẹ́wọ́. Ilé-iṣẹ́ Eeta Award. Mo ní kí a gbé fún yín lágbára Ọlọ́run. Ẹ ṣe ìpele yìí láìpẹ́ láìpẹ́ tó máa tẹ̀lé nílùú òyìnbó káàkiri gbogbo àgbáyé lágbára Ọlọ́run. Ilé-iṣẹ́ yóò wà ní bàjẹ́ lágbára Ọlọ́run. Èyí náà wà ní púpọ̀ òjijì. Thank you very much.
I want to please a round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. DJ, hold up. I would like you to say something to you. That's our word. And after that, what we like, what's your brand we used to support? Like that award. Go please.
Good evening, everyone. I sincerely appreciate the organizer of this award, the Eeta Award. And I pray that the Lord Almighty will continue to take it higher and higher. Before I give my commitment, I would like my wonderful team to join me here. Then I give you.
Afiniki, all the teams, can I see you on stage, please? Wow. Hey, Ale, what's back on there? Where you guys at? I want you guys here. Because I want to say something now. I have show at Island now. I'm going to Island sharp. Oh yeah, come. You go on this week. Come. I come. Oh, Boba. Hello, DJ Wola. Osumio. Hello. Ale. Okay, where? Go tell me, sir. Come on stage. So right now, for the fact that you invited this brand and they are here, you get level. I swear down, this thing, and they eat down, I don't know the name. But so now you guys do. I swear, I don't buy this thing. Don't worry. I want you guys to support this Eeta Award. Because supporting this brand will elevate him more to do more. Check this. It's not Iggy, it's not man.
Okay, on behalf of my wonderful team and the managers who will support this Eeta Award with the sum of 250,000.
Hello, why you guys clapping? How much is 250,000? Hello. How much is 250,000? You guys. I pray to you guys like to get money. Do you know how much I spend in a week? In a week. You borrow me. Excellency, I'm begging the name of Almighty God. I'm not begging you for money. I'm okay. I'm still rich. I'm one of the most highest paid company in Nigeria. I don't want to proud. Yes, sir. The highest car in outside, I own it. Only my jingle, the money coming. But sir, I want you to do much better. This brand want to buy boss for the team. I want you to do that. Will be, I know it's huge money, but put something up. Hope we just run the program up.
Don't worry, after the program, we'll talk.
Well, you know what? I will believe now that to be after you got the stage, the usher will just come and meet you. But I know say you don't owe cash, na transfer. Maybe my brand kuli mo ní gbowó bẹ́ẹ̀. Ẹ má wọrí máa gbé ó yá. Afinic, ladies and gentlemen, branded kuli not be kuli of Aboki. Kuli that travel all around the globe. Afinic, I will send my prayer to you. You will see my hand. God bless you. Round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Round of applause. I appreciate you. I appreciate you. Afinic. All right.